Howdy y'all, welcome back to Gunsnbbq. I am Gunsnbbq, and we got another unboxing from Gear Websites. So, let's get to it. As you can see, I got two of the world's largest AK-47M patches sitting there right in front of me. I don't remember how big they are. I think they're like 6 inches or 9 inches, something like that. You want to know? Buy one and measure it yourself, because I am too lazy to go grab a tape measure and measure it. Anyways, got those two, so now I've got one for myself and one for each of my kids. 4 in total. This video is actually being made a bit late. I ordered this stuff a couple weeks ago, and I've been procrastinating on making this video. But also got a couple other things. Got a couple spam cans. One's Chinese, and one is, I believe, Hungarian. My eyes aren't well enough to tell which is which. So, the next, because I always order on Free Patch Friday, is a great day to go order. By the way, you know what today is? Friday. That means it's Free Patch Friday over at GearWebsites.com. And while this probably sounds like I'm shilling for G-Webs, I just like to go over there and spend my money. So, figured if I like to do it, you might like to do it. I don't know. This was a free patch for sure. I didn't order this, but I believe this is the Arizona Citizens Defense League. So that's pretty freaking awesome. Always a good time when you order on Free Patch Friday, because you get some neat surprises, and that AZ CDL patch is a freaking awesome patch. A lot of great colors in it, and just a great logo. Got a sticker here, and this was actually probably my favorite thing in the whole package. I've been wanting one of these for a while, and G-Webs has been sold out, and apparently he was able to hunt one of these patches down that I'm about to show you. Not this one. I've got a couple of these, and I absolutely love the little revolver patches. Might have to get, I think, one more, and I'll have one for each kid and myself also. But no, the one that I'm super excited about is the Winchester. I don't know if it's an 1894 or what, but either way, it's a Winchester PVC patch. It's probably about as big as the AK patches. Don't quote me on that though, I'm not 100%. But I have been wanting one of those for a while, and G-Webs surprised me with it, and I cannot thank him enough. Absolutely awesome. But I'm also going to throw some feelers out here. Anybody have that patch laying around and don't want it, or have a couple of them, say, because after seeing it, my kids also want them, so ideally I've got to try and collect 3, because their father is selfish, and I'm keeping this one for myself. So, anyways, that is this unboxing. I'll be doing another order over at GearWebsites.com later today, and hopefully having a video up by mid next week of whatever goodies I got again. So until next time, this is Gunsnbbq saying, keep your guns firing, your smoker smoking, stay safe, and, go enjoy Free Patch Friday. Hit that subscribe button, please. See ya!